Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
When it comes to Hakka attire for children, nothing stands out more than the child's cap. During festivities, each child will sport one of these caps. At their disposal is a large selection including the scholar's cap, as well as one fashioned after the brave and ferocious tiger. The scholar's cap symbolizes academic and career success, while the tiger's cap is seen as an amulet to ward off evil spirits. Regardless of which cap the child dons, what is universal is that each represents the blessings of the parents.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿平哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And in the past few months, we've taught you traditional Hakka clothing, but we never went into children's clothing. And it just so happens this month there's the Women's and Children's Day, so maybe I should ask Leo about children's clothing. 其实几个月前呢，我们都有教这个客家人的一些传统服装嘛，有蓝衫等等这些。
对。
但是呢，刚好因为这个月有妇幼节，我们来介绍儿童穿的衣服好了。
我们介绍一个比较特别的，就是兒童帽。
兒童帽 ，OK， 兒童是兒童的意思咯。然后帽就是帽子 ，OK， that's cool. That means children's hat. 那有什么样的这个兒童帽呢？
兒童帽呢，通常它的那个造型都很特别，不过比较特殊的就是有像老虎形状的虎帽啊，然后还有叫做状元帽、窗帘帽。
窗帘帽 ，OK， 有状元帽，还有虎帽。OK, so there are two types of children's hats out there: the tiger hat, and then there's the scholar hat. Now, I can kind of understand why you want your child to wear a scholar hat to do well in school, right? 状元帽应该带来就是希望这个小朋友呢，这个学业呢会突飞猛进，
对，中状元。
中状元 ，OK， 这可以很理解得到。但老虎帽，虎帽是干嘛？要让它变成一只野兽的样子吗？
那个太可怕了啦。
对啊，
其实就。老虎是一个猛兽嘛，所以我们把它戴在小孩的身上呢，就像我们戴平安符是一样的，希望能够保护住这个小孩子呢，平平安安的、顺顺利利的长大。
That makes more sense. Okay, so if you have your child wear the tiger hat, the tiger symbolizes a fierce animal, so it's going to chase all the bad luck away. It's like a blessing, if you will, a lucky charm, if you will. The tiger hat would be the choice right here. Okay, let's review these terms. There's children's hat, 童帽。
兒童帽。
兒童帽。Then you have the scholar hat, 狀元帽。
窗帘帽。
窗帘帽。And then the tiger hat, 也就是虎帽。
虎帽。
虎帽。And there you have it. More about clothing, in particular children's clothing. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼太假？
俺自細張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.